if I'll use my voice because it's gonna be a lot to type, and I don't feel like typing because I'm feeling very lazy at the moment. But for videos like this, like the learn to code certain languages, like today we're gonna learn to code C++. For videos like this, I'm going to use my voice because I feel like it's just going to be better rather than switching from Visual Studio to this to that to this to this. All right. So, today this is going to be the part 1, and it's going to be a whole series on how to code, learning C++. So, the first thing we're going to do is talk about Visual Studio. It's already listed right over there. So, Visual Studio, I don't know if y'all know this, but Visual Studio is what I use when I'm coding because I usually use my Windows, and Visual Studio is just for Windows user. So that's going to be the first topic. So if you're coding C++ and you want to use Visual Studios, right? And you want to have a compiler because you're going to need a compiler if you're doing C++, because compilers are what translate your code to binary or whatever. I think, at least that's what I think, right? So what I recommend is if you're a Windows user, you should go to Visual Studio like I just typed. It pops up. Just go to download and then get this if you don't want to pay for anything because it already says free right over there, right? So it's personally, based on how I use it, is good because I don't see anything use it because I'm a Windows person. But if y'all not, y'all can also use Xcode, which Xcode is for MacBook. Let me show you real quick. Google Images. So today's video is going to be shorter than the usual videos we do. So let's see. Xcode is on Mac, so y'all could just go to the App Store, type in Xcode. Think this is what y'all are going to see when you try to download it. See, it looks like this. Shoot. Alright, so I don't know if that's clear. Okay, it should be clear enough. So that's it. That's what it looks like. Just type in Xcode right there. It's gonna pop up, capital X and code. So I'm going to still put the link. I don't know if I can put the link of Xcode since you had to go to the App Store or whatever. So yeah, and then the last one, yeah, like I said, is really going to be a short video. It's all up just by C++. Just download it and you're going to be good for the rest of the series we're going to talk about. Last one, Pazio, right? This is my favorite one because you can do it from any device. We're talking Mac, we're talking Windows, we're talking Linux, and the best part is that you don't have to download it, so you just have to go online, whatever browser you use. Shit, I forgot how to spell it, but oops, I cuss a lot. So you go on a browser and you type in C++ because compiler. Because if I'm being honest, the name is kind of weird, and you also type it online. The name is kind of weird and hard to remember, so it's better if you just do C++. If you can't remember, but if you can remember, just type it right in. It's gonna pop up. So see right here, see it's like purple, light purple, because I use it a lot. Whatever. So you just click on this Pazio, Paiza .io, right? Just click on it. Takes forever. So something y'all should know, it automatically takes y'all to this page because it's C++, but it offers many languages. It offers Bash, C hashtags, C, Lojor, Cobol, CoffeeScript. Y'all can see it. And it also offers, but this one, Pazio.cloud, is if you want to build website, you can do that, but that part you have to pay for. So yeah, that's about it. So once y'all download that, or if y'all don't want to download anything, don't want to use your site, your space on your computer, you could just do this. It's gonna be way faster. But I will say Visual Studio because I'm a Windows person. Like I said, Visual Studio is just way better because then you just download because Visual Studio allows you to do many stuff. For example, the Visual Studio community. It also allows you to get the Blend Visual Studio. If I mentioned that, Blend Visual Studio, because that allows you to create a an app. It gives you the whole background, the boxing. I don't know what to call it exactly, but that. But you can also do Visual Studio Mac OS. I don't support that because it was kind of weird using it on my Mac Chromebook. It felt very weird, very weird. But yeah. So right over here, you can also use Xcode, easier to download if you're a Windows person. And I think that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment. Also, if you comment if you think there's any other compiler you can use for C++, comment it down below and talk about why to use it, how to use it. I'm about to try Xcode for the first time, but I don't know if I'm going to do a separate series for the Mac OS for anybody who has Mac users, but it should be about the same using it. If you're not sure how to use the Xcode, I always support just trial and error, try it out, feel around it, see if you like it, do that. So the next video I'm going to do like the basic fundamentals C++. I will talk about the print and whatever and move on from there, and I'm also going to use my voice. Or if you're alright with me, just type, because I feel like I talk a little bit fast. Or if you're alright to have me slow down, type, or whatever, just say it. And yeah, see y'all later.